Like, look at that. I've got to give you guys a closer look, obviously. What the recipes that I've got, the ingredients that I've got in here, I will put a link for a video where it showed me making it, so at least you guys know how I've made it and how it's come out vibrant and red like this. But where we're going to start off with the chicken breast. Now a lot of this is down to preference, guys. With the chicken breast, we've got big pieces of breast like that. I'm just starting with about 2 kilos here. But what I like to do is I like to try and get the breast and slice it in half like this. I know some people don't like touching the raw chicken, but I'm sorry, you will have to massage this in, so make sure you do that and don't get your kids to do it. Guys, one thing I will tell you, if you're going to use a colouring, it's up to you, but try and wear a glove because it will tarnish your nails and then all start looking all dark and everything. So bear that in mind, especially if you're working the next day. Okay guys, what we're going to do here, little trick, little tip, might work for some, might not work for others, depending on how heavy the meat is and how it goes. We're using half an onion here. With the half an onion, how I'm going to be doing it is this. Okay guys, welcome back. This has been in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. From looking at this bit, it's basically done. But I do want to give it a bit longer so the meat goes dark. Now, I've taken it from that tray we've had before, I've popped it in here. Reason being is it was slanting over, so I had a feeling, or I've got a feeling this is going to fall in the oven. Okay guys, have a look at that, as expected again, falling over. Now this is what we basically want, guys. Don't know if you can see. So yeah, you've got to have a little Oh, that's beautiful. Like, look at that. I've got to give you guys a closer look, obviously. Tell me this ain't wicked.